Namaste, I Isha, Cultural Secretary of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 24th February 2022. Firstly, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज फाल्गुन माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की अष्टमी तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र अनुराधा, आज का योग हर्षण है। प्रविष्टि की बात करें तो आज फाल्गुन माह के 12 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रजब की आज 23 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I request you all to cover your heads, close your eyes, and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes, be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes, be ready for prayer.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरभौ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवई जे सोचे लखवार चुप्पे चुप न होवई जे लाए रहा लिवतार भुखिया भुख ना उतरी जे बन्ना पुरया पार सह सियाणपा लख होए तां इक न चले नाल किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े टुटे पार हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया ना हुक्मी होवन आकार हुक्म न कहिया जाए हुक्मी होवन जी हुक्म मिले वड्याई हुक्मी उत्तम नीच हुक्म लिख दुख सुख पाइए ਇੱਕ ਨਾ ਹੁਕਮੀ ਬਖਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਇੱਕ ਹੁਕਮੇ ਸਦਾ ਪਵਾਈਐ ਹੁਕਮੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਸਭ ਕੋ ਬਾਹਰ ਹੁਕਮ ਨ ਕੋਏ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੁਕਮੇ ਜੇ बुझे ताहू में कहे न कोए
अस्तो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Now it's time to change shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च मयि अर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्मामे वैश्यस्य संशयं मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरं हेतूनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाता येषां लोक इमा प्रजा दिवि सूर्यसहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता यदि भासदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः संनियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धय ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रता.
Now I would like to invite Anushka of class plus 1 medical to tell us about Bougainvillia in the series of biodiversity in plants. Namaste Anushka.
Namaste. I, Anushka, student of 11th Science from St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today, in the series of introduction of plants present in school campus, is going to make you familiar with the Bougainvillia plant and its uses. Bougainvillia is also called as the paper flower and its scientific name is Bougainvillia glabra. Bougainvillia is a thorny, woody, high-climbing vine with colorful flowers. These flowers can be red, orange, yellow, purple, pink or white. Traditionally, Bougainvillia flowers, which have tiny white flowers in the middle of colorful and papery petals or bracts, have been used for medicinal purposes. To gain medicinal properties, we can steep dried or fresh flowers and bracts in boiled water and drink them as a tea. Medicinal uses of Bougainvillia flowers. Bougainvillia has been traditionally used for controlling diabetes. It can prevent blood sugar levels from spiking, thus making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Bougainvillia has an expectorant property that helps get rid of mucus from the respiratory tract, thereby boosting cough recovery. Flowers have anti inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antiseptic properties that can reduce inflammation and help us attain immediate relief from a sore throat. It acts as effective body detoxifier. Regular consumption of tea made from purple bougainvillea flowers can help clean out our body. It effectively removes toxins and other harmful material from our body, which are caused by exposure to pollution and unhealthy diet. Flowers help to ease joint pain. Due to its anti inflammatory properties, these flowers can help deal with inflammation caused by joint pain and swollen joints. It can effectively ease pain by reducing inflammation. It helps in relieving fever. Since bougainvillea has antipyretic effects, consumption of tea made from its flowers can be an effective remedy for reducing fever. I hope you found this information knowledgeable. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Anushka. Today is Central Excise Duty Day. For this, I would like to invite Nidhi of class 4th B to aware us more about it. Namaste, Nidhi.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Nidhi of class 4th B from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today, I will tell you about Central Excise Day. Central Excise Day is celebrated every year on February 24 across India to encourage the employees of Excise Department to carry out the Central Excise duty in a better way. The Central Excise and Salt Act was enacted on 24 February 1944. To mark the occasion, various seminars, workshops, educational and cultural events, awareness programs, competitions, and award ceremonies are organized all over the country. Apart from it, awareness programs are also run by the concerned departments and higher authorities. This day also encourages the officer to carry out their duty with utmost sincerity. Every year, officers do their duties of checking the corruption of goods from the manufacturing sector. Central Excise Department play an important role in the industrial development of the country. The tax system has been reformed by the ministry to make payment of taxes easier and also increase the use of techniques. The purpose of celebrating the day is also to inform the people of the country about the importance of the Central Board of Excise and Customs. Thank you.
Thank you, Nidhi. Now, I would like to invite Divyansh of class 9 to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekananda. Namaste, Divyansh.
Namaste, I am Divyansh, student of class 9A of St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today, I am going to share the thought of Swami Vivekanand with you. Hope you will definitely think about this. The thought is as follows: Youth is someone who has power in their hands, speed in their movement, energy in their heart, and dreams in their eyes. I repeat the thought: Youth is someone who has power in their hands, speed in their movement, energy in their heart, and dreams in their eyes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Divyansh. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.